This video covers how to read and understand your first Lumen invoice. The invoice, or bill, will reflect one-time and recurring itemized charges from the activation date to the end of the first billing cycle. Let's walk through how to read the invoice. At the top, find the billing account number, the invoice number, the payment due date, and the invoice date. In the middle of the page is the Bill at a Glance area, which shows a summary and the total amount due. You can find details and the description of services on the additional pages of your invoice. When you get to the Service Level Activity section, you will be able to see your service IDs and the additional service details. You can use Lumen Control Center, which is your personalized portal that helps you efficiently manage your account. Its benefits include several billing features, such as signing up for paperless billing and paying your bills online, in addition to creating and managing tickets, running network diagnostics for repairs, and tracking your orders. If you have additional billing questions, you can contact us at billing@lumen.com. We're delighted to have you added to our network, and we're excited about the new capabilities for your business. Visit our delivery support library to view short, helpful videos and other information to maximize your service delivery experience. These keys to success will help you every step of the way. Thank you for partnering with Lumen.